10 life hacks for motivation in life. Here are some life hacks. If you want to be successful in life, then start by being successful at little things. Little things like making your bed every morning. This will train your brain to be more disciplined, and eventually you'll be able to achieve big things. Get educated. The more you learn, the more you earn. Go to school, get good grades, and get a good job. And if you don't have a high school diploma or a college degree, go get one. It's so important to keep learning throughout your life. Be motivated. Motivation is what will push you when you're feeling lazy. It's what will help you get out of bed in the morning and do the things that you need to do. Find a motivation that works for you and never give up on it. Do all of these things and you'll be on your way to success. But remember, it's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. So don't give up. Keep going. Success is waiting for you.